YouTube scrappers. Just out with the grandson going through. Oh, I see ducks. There's the ducks. They haven't been out for a while. Usually we have 4 or 5 feet of snow. Today is December 28th, so it's weird. It's supposed to be 5 degrees today, so. Oh, what to do, what to do. Here's the furnace. I'm gonna take this apart and get some goodies out of that. Got some more stuff dropped off today, the other day. Couple pots, couple pots. What's left of a treadmill, fridge door. No, don't play with that, that's glass. So a deck to a tractor lawnmower, another treadmill. And this is where all my small stuff is. Tin cans. I had this to cover so the snow wouldn't get on it, but anyway, I might have to take that off and roll it up. Stainless steel piles getting bigger. There's more stainless steel there. More stainless steel there. Old sheets under this. There's my extrude pile and my irony aluminum. I'm gonna take some of this apart more, get some cast aluminum, and see how many parts are good, if any, if they are good, and see if I can pedal them some. Number 1 steel is there. More steel, more number 1, more number 1. I gotta do up a burning pile sometime here soon, and when the weather's right. That's what it looks like outside. Three TVs I gotta take apart. That thaws out, I gotta take that in. That's a thing of wheel weights, lead wheel weights. Got some recyclables to take here. Some Christmas lights to do up. I think everybody's seen my boxes of cell phones. This has got a little bit of stuff I gotta scrap out. This stuff I'll be going through and seeing what I can send back to the auction. Steel rim, take that outside. My pails back down for my brass. These are my totes for cast aluminum and old sheet. So I'm gonna put these back. There. Sit right there for a second. Copper tote's getting a little bit bigger. Insulated copper wires getting pretty good. Still got lots to do. HH Recycling. I've got one too. See if I can get this apart. Mine's newer than yours, but it still doesn't work. Try to take that apart sometime soon. Okay. Sewing machine to take apart. The glass thing I'm gonna send to the auction. Keyboard to take apart.
I found all this stuff I could find, but all of it's gone.
Okay.
I found it's good stuff in over here.
Some small stuff to take apart there. Couple more. This is a Anatel. I think it's a switch or something like that. They were, both of these are brand new, but the computer store said that they couldn't format them, so. And this light, it's fairly heavy, so it should have a good transformer or something in it, maybe. I don't know. Another sewing machine. And when we get over here, just like salvaging in AZ, he has a wall of steel. I've got a wall of e-waste computers. Another TV, there's some monitors down there. Still don't know what to do with these old Coleman stoves. That blue one is a Sears. I don't know to scrap them or send them to auction. I don't know. More e-waste. There's a box of e-waste. There's a bunch of computers there. My stack's not as big as e-waste Mike. Yeah. These here are blood analyzers. Can't think of the name right now. Oh, laptops. I'll be taking those apart too. I just haven't done anything since before Christmas. I've just been lying low and trying to get the energy to do stuff. This engine should be fairly good copper, stainless steel on it. So, but anyway. Oh, I got these at the last auction. I'm gonna have to see if I can try to sell them. That's what they are. Angle adapter, stainless steel, 3/8" with a tapered hole in it. I gotta look them up, and I got 2 cases. Each case cost me $2 at the auction, so. Yeah, that's what I'm got to do in the new year. I'm not as busy as Drunken Grind. Look him up. Look him and Salvaging and their AZ up. They're 2 good guys with great channels. So is Nice Junk. Scrap it all. Scrapping on the fly. See you scrapping. HH Recycling. Oh, and there's quite a few more K&D scrapping. I'll put a list in the description below on this video, but there's quite a few that I watch. Anyway, I just ordered more tools because I was given some money for Christmas, so I ordered some more security bits, some that are a little bit longer. Put my CPUs in a little thing where I don't lose them. I think I got more CPUs over there. I got more CPUs over there. Hey, look at that, another hatchet. I gotta try to get a cleaver so I can start cleaver or machete or something, so I can start smacking the transformers apart. Well, I think I just found my CPUs in there. Dump them in there. Yeah, I got tools laying around everywhere, but when you're scrapping, you need lots of tools. Anyway, everybody have a good New Year, and I don't know if I'll make another video before the New Year, but like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, everybody.